what is day trading? Well, the definition for day trading is pretty straightforward. Day trading is basically when you buy and sell something within the same day. So this something could be, for example, stocks, but it could also be cryptocurrencies or Forex. The important thing about day trading is not what you trade. The important thing is that you buy and sell within the same day. And the time here between buying and selling could be as short as just a few minutes. So you can, for example, buy and sell, in only 5 minutes, but it could also be a few hours, right? As long as you buy and sell during the day and don't wait overnight, you are day trading. But now then, what is the goal of day traders? Well, the goal is pretty simple here. The goal is to profit, or in other words, make money from short-term price movements. And what can we trade as day traders? Well, we have already been talking a bit about this, but you can day trade multiple different assets, including stocks, crypto, Forex, but also commodities, options, and more. So as a day trader, you have so many options on markets to trade, and that's one thing I really like about day trading. But now, what about some key characteristics when it comes to day trading? Well, the first characteristic I want to talk about is time commitment, because when it comes to day trading, it actually requires lots of time and effort. Because since you are buying and selling within the same day, this means that you have to spend lots of time in front of the charts. So you will spend time looking at charts, but you will also need to spend quite a bit of time learning. Because just like, playing football or cooking, day trading is a skill that takes lots of time to learn. So if you want to day trade, you need to be able to put in hours both learning and trading. But since you are watching this video, that's already a proof that you are willing to commit the time to learn. So that is a very good sign. Another key characteristic that I pretty much already mentioned here is knowledge, but also discipline. So to become a successful day trading, you need not lots of knowledge, but you also need lots of discipline. Because in order to follow your trading plan and not being overwhelmed by all the emotions that comes with trading. When you trade, you will get lots of fear, but also greed. And to not be overwhelmed and act on your emotion, it's important to have discipline. And what about the tools and techniques here? Well, day traders mainly use technical analysis. And during this course, you will learn a lot about technical analysis. But some traders also use something called fundamental analysis. And this could be looking at things like news and financial reports to analyze, for example, stocks, but you can also use fundamental analysis for, crypto and other assets as well. But this course will be mainly focused here on technical analysis because that is by far the most common trading technique. Alright, so this video was actually just a very short clip from our full day trading course here on YouTube. To access the course, simply click or tap on the screen right here. I hope I will see you all over there very, very soon.